This is the marketing calendar template that we use at our B2B SaaS company to plan for upcoming marketing initiatives for the coming quarter or even year. And so I'm going to walk you through these various different tabs today. And by the end, I'm actually going to show you the exact AI prompt that we use to generate essentially an unlimited number of tactical ideas for whatever channel we're investing in. So whether you use ChatGPT or Gemini, I'll show you the prompt that we use that you can adopt and customize for your business. So let me just jump right in here. This is the template. This is the Readme tab where I try to provide you with just instructions, a general overview of what's on each tab, some pro tips that you can take advantage of, best practices to follow, and then also other ways to follow us and get more free templates as well as premium templates if you are a go-to-market leader at a B2B SaaS company. Next is the marketing calendar template itself. For every template, I always share a blank template where you can input all of your key marketing activities here. And then I also include an example template. And so that's actually where I'm going to focus my time right now. So you can see what this would look like as a populated template. And I'll just walk you through the justification or the rationalization behind each one of these column headings and then the section on the right-hand side here. So first off, we actually organize our marketing activities each quarter by the channel. And then within each of those channels, we'll have specific tactics. So those tactics, for example, an event, you may have an industry expo that's coming up. Or for a blog, you may be publishing an industry trend article. So that's the channel and the tactic, and then we assign an owner to each of these initiatives so that you know specifically who is responsible for it. Now, they may not actually be doing the work. They may be managing a team that's getting the work done, but you always have to have an owner. And then for each of these, there's oftentimes an associated file that goes along with this particular tactic. And so, for example, you may have the conference file that's the conference strategy brief that goes into great detail into what the conference is, how much we're investing, what the goals of the conference are, all those related details. So that is really how we organize it. Then we break it down into status. What's the status of it today? I include a drop down that you can use as well. There are really 4 statuses that we care about. One is we haven't started it, it's in progress, it is completed, or it's ongoing. And I indicate that through the different colors here. Now, the grid on the right-hand side is just simply to provide a visual representation of where this work is intended to fall. And the way we do it is we just start out with this first cell is really when the work is expected to begin. And then the last cell is when it is expected to end. And so you can put dates in here, like you could put 1/12 if that's a specific date that aligns with the second week in January. And then you can also put in the week of February 4th or 10th. Right here. So you can modify it as you see fit. I also encourage you, if you use a collaboration tool like Airtable or Notion, they've got some great tools that you can replicate this marketing calendar template in there and then use a visual timeline to illustrate where the activities will fall. So that's the template. I encourage you to download the Google Sheet. I'll include a link below. You can just click the link, add it to your cart, and then check out. I'll send you the link to the Google Sheet to make a copy of. Now, lastly, if you are short of ideas on what to put into your marketing calendar, I also include this AI prompt, which I'm doing for all the templates because folks started to ask me, how are you using AI? And so I wanted to provide an easy way for you to just answer a few simple questions here, and then have it generate a prompt where you can just click into cell C23. This is also utilizing prompt best practices. So you can just copy cell C23 in this case after you answer these questions, like what's your company URL, your channel, your goal, your target persona, ICP, all that information. And then come over to your favorite AI tool, whether it's ChatGPT or Gemini or whatever else it may be, and paste it in, hit enter, and then AI will go to work here and provide you contextually relevant tactical ideas to support the channel that you're investing in, as well as your business goals, so that you have a higher likelihood of hitting your marketing KPIs for the quarter. So I hope this is helpful. Get access to the Google Sheet below, and I will see you on the next video. Let me know if you have any comments.